Maybe go potty. Go potty. Alright, mini spin. Good boy. Ready? Okay. Good morning, you guys. So I'm in my filming room right now. Do you think I should take that off? I woke up with two lovely unwelcome friends. I'm gonna get this covered up real quick. Today I'm going shopping with my sister, so I'm just like getting a little bit ready, nothing crazy. I put everything away and now I don't know where anything is. Oh my god, I look like a wreck. So we're gonna do a little Christmas shopping and she should be here in about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna get myself together so I don't look like something out of a horror movie. So it's kind of interesting that I'm finding out. I now realize why the influencers or people on YouTube, anyone who does VLOGMAS, now I see why they upload daily, because it's so much easier to edit one day and just throw it up than it is to edit multiple. Hopefully it's not crazy out there today. Shape tape. This is sister. Say hi, sister.
Hi, sister.
How are you?
How are you?
What are we doing today?
We're going Christmas shopping for mom and dad, and we're gonna have some giggles and fun.
Giggly.
And sit on Sandy's lap.
Sandy's lappy.
Sit on Sandy's lappy.
Sandy's panties.
Santa looking like a snack.
Ew. Slim thick with that cute ass.
With your claws ass. I picked this out for her, so I win.
Thailand backpack. Wait, show the cool compartments.
Okay.
We'll show the front.
So
The front is
nice
very
flowers.
cute.
And
Black.
easy to
Nice.
zip and close.
Very cool.
Have an inside pocket here and here,
Fun.
like so.
Then the best of all.
The best of all.
Steals from me in Thailand.
So
Back
cute.
pocket. Easy access. Looking cute. Loves it. Sister Day. We were very accomplished today.
Ow, I got something in my eye. One thing that we did not accomplish is getting matching onesies, which we're gonna have to figure out. But another thing we did accomplish is I secretly made a decision for once in my life.
Which was?
A present.
We literally
For-
sat in the van store for an hour.
Probably almost.
An hour and a half. But it was successful. She got her boyfriend's gift. I got my boyfriend a gift. And we got ourselves
I
gifts.
got my boyfriend a gift thanks to her, and she got her boyfriend a gift thanks to me.
Kinda. Nuh-uh.
Yeah, I said, let's go in there, you gotta get it. And
No.
we got it then and there.
And we got gifts for ourselves.
No, we did we? No, we didn't.
Well, maybe I just...
I was just looking
Yeah, what were we doing this
do your LOL.
Oh, LOL. Okay, wait, what is one laugh that I always do? I don't do You're literally just... Okay, what is one thing that I always say?
Tyler.
Okay, besides that.
I need that for my kit. Just want to. Oh, she reminds me of Mark Lee for some reason.
Hello, little man. How much do you love this front room?
A lot. It's pretty, and I love the menorah.
Go home. We're just watching my first vlog go up. Benny, who is that? Today is the one day I was on $8.95.
At me.
And the line was
Oh, Benny, you're funny.
like zigzag. Oops. Look at me. And I got her specific lashes, but I used them last time, so I need to get some more. But I swear to God, Walgreens has the best prices I've ever seen in a drugstore. Like, look at all these. Green, 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 green. Orange, 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 orange. Look at these Revlon things. Buy one, get one 50% off. This is a pretty color. Just kidding. Has anyone ever tried these? These are really weird. They're like moussey. And they're so not, I mean, they're pigmented, but they're like sheer at the same time. I don't know, they're kind of weird. Oh, thank you. One time I came here and these color tattoo things were like 79 cents. Best beauty blender of life for so inexpensive. Kids. Oh. What?
Selfie.
Ah! Was it a selfie, you jerk? He flashed his lights at me.
I was saying my breath. Is that your dad's truck?
How cute is this to put in my little bridal packages when they book with me? I can't wait to put them together, but they're like little diamonds. My truck friend is in the store in the vicinity.
I like that.
There he is. In the flesh. Easy with the legs.
Close this out, you know, and talk about like the Jackson 2018.
Well, honestly, I think it's pretty easy. I'm trying to just be a better boyfriend, be a better person, work in progress. Don't let me get